નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we are going to start Standard 7th Social Science. Chapter 8, Delhi during the medieval period. Student, in part 1 we learned that after the death of Shahabuddin Ghori, his slave Qutbuddin Aibak start slave dynasty, and after death of Qutbuddin Aibak, his son-in-law Iltutmish also helped him to start this dynasty. And after the death of Iltutmish, his daughter Razia Sultan came to the throne of Delhi. She was lady, and she was the first lady woman who was become the king or queen of the Delhi Sultanate, who sat on the throne of Delhi Sultanate. But interference of who disliked the Razia Sultan? Yes, Amir Umraus doesn't like she, because she was lady and she was controlling over. And in the comparison of Iltutmish's son Nasir, she was very best doing and she was perfect lady. So instead of Amir Umraus, he doesn't like Razia Sultan. So after the death of Razia Sultan, Iltutmish's son, means Razia Sultan's brother Nasiruddin, came to the throne. And after the death of Nasiruddin, his wazir Balban came to the throne. Now we start Khilji dynasty. Within 4 years of Balban's death, the Khilji dynasty established its rule over Delhi. So after the death of Nasiruddin, his wazir, who was his wazir? Balban. He came to the throne, and after his death, within 4 years, Khilji dynasty established in Delhi. The Turk community who belonged to Khilji in Afghanistan was known as Khiljis. So the communities who were coming from the Turk, so they were known as from the Afghanistan, they were known as the Khiljis. So that's why Khilji dynasty came out. Jalaluddin Khilji brought an end of the slave dynasty. Slave dynasty means Razia Sultan. After the death of Razia Sultan and his brother Nasir and his wazir Balban, this dynasty, slave dynasty, was finished. After the end of slave dynasty, Jalaluddin Khilji started his Khilji dynasty. When it started 1296 CE, Alauddin Khilji, who was both his nephew and son-in-law, overthrew Jalaluddin and became the ruler of Delhi. So after the death of Jalaluddin, his nephew means in 1296 CE, Alauddin Khilji, who was both nephew and son-in-law, overthrew Jalaluddin and became the ruler of Delhi. So who was nephew? Alauddin Khilji, who was the both nephew. Nephew means sisters or brothers' son. Otherwise sometimes it is using for son-in-law. And that one, son-in-law, overthrew Jalaluddin and became the ruler of Delhi. Now who became the king of Delhi? That one was Jalaluddin Khilji. He was very ambitious. Ambitious means wanting to do some powerful thing. So he was very ambitious. He controlled the interference. Interference means interruption of other person. Who was that one? Ulmas and Umras in the state administration, who was interrupted in their work in the Delhi Sultanate. That one was Ulmas and Umroz. He stopped to interfere in the administration, and then Alauddin Khilji framed means Alauddin Khilji to start strict rules to control prices. To control the price, he stopped to interference of Umlas and Umras. The famous poet Amir Khusro, whose work are well known, adorned means decorate his court. So there in that time we can say in Delhi Sultanate, at the Khilji time, there were also some great poet who wrote many poems and works, was also adorned. Adorned means decorate. Because of his Delhi Sultanate was very famous. There was complete disorder in the kingdom after his death, and the Tughlaq dynasty established its power, replacing the Khilji dynasty. So after the death of Khilji dynasty, so then it started also Tughlaq dynasty. It means we can say after the death of Balban, there is also Jalaluddin Khilji. Then after who came? Alauddin Khilji came, and then after the death of Alauddin Khilji, there were also started Tughlaq dynasty, and the Khilji dynasty was become the end. Now we are talking about Khilji dynasty. Ghulam dynasty ended with the death of Ghiyas-uddin Balban. Who was Ghiyas-uddin Balban? He was the Wazir of Nasiruddin, and Nasiruddin was the brother of Sultan and son of Iltutmish. After 4 years, means after the death of Balban, Khilji dynasty established its power in Delhi. Now after the death of Balban, then started Khilji dynasty. Khiljis, from where Khiljis came? Khiljis are people of the third community. They came from the Khilja region of Afghanistan. So they came from the Afghanistan. Jalaluddin Khilji brought an end to the Ghulam dynasty. Now Jalaluddin Khilji was become the king, and he came to the throne after the death of Balban. He founded the Khilji dynasty in India. So he also started Khilji dynasty in India. Now our new topic is the Tughlaq dynasty. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq founded the Tughlaq dynasty within 4 years after the death of Alauddin Khilji. So after the death of Alauddin Khilji, the Khilji dynasty was become the end, and then it also started the Tughlaq dynasty. Dakka Chowki, the postal service was started in this time. So in this time means this Tughlaq dynasty time, there one service was started. The name that one was Dakka Chowki. That one is a postal services, means we have postal relation, post office, postman. That one also started at the Tughlaq dynasty. We can get all the information from the Halkaro. The letters were carried by horse riders. Postmen were referred to the Halkaro at that time. So the letters were carried. Now also letters were carried by the postmen. Some postmen giving letters. Sometimes Raksha Bandhan there is also giving Rakhi, and some letters are also came to our house to deliver the post. So there were a postman, and they were also referred to Halkaro at that time. So that time they were also known as Halkaro. So in this time we come to know Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty after the death of Alauddin Khilji. Then within 4 years he also started Tughlaq dynasty, and that time Dakka Chowki, the postal services was started, and that time the letters were carried by the horse carriage. Postmen were also known as the referred to the Halkaro. We can get all the information from the referred to Saurashtrani Rasdar. So there was a book Saurashtrani Rasdar. You can get information about the Halkaro. Muhammad Tughlaq became the Sultan after Ghiyasuddin. Many of the decisions that he took were criticized. Criticized means find the fault. Among these, the two main plans were the transfer of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad and introducing the use of copper currency. So at that time, Tughlaq became the Sultan of Ghiyasuddin. So that time there were criticized. Criticized means find out the fault. Among these two main plans, what is their plans? That he transferred the capital Delhi to Daulatabad. There was capital Delhi in India, so he transferred the capital in Daulatabad. And the second thing is introducing the use of copper currency and also start to use currency. Now we have money and coins also that time, so they started to use of copper currency. During Muhammad Tughlaq's region, Ibn Battuta, an African traveler from Tangier, belonged to the Habsi tribe, visited India criticizing the Sultanat's administration. He has written that Muhammad Shah's rule was an amalgamation of both good and bad administrative policy. So, during Muhammad Tughlaq's region, Ibn Battuta, an African traveler from Tangier, belonged to the Habsi tribe. Tangier means very strong. To the Habsi tribe means region. Visited India. So from the Habsi tribe, there is one African person, Ibn Battuta, known. This person came to the during the Muhammad Tughlaq's time. At that time, what he did? Criticizing. Criticize means to find a fault. The Sultanat's administration, he has written that Muhammad Shah's rule was an amalgamation, means combination. What are the combination there? Both good and bad administration policy. So there are two type of policy, administration policies are there. He found that one good and better. So from there, Muhammad Tughlaq time, one African, Ibn Battuta, that one known as Ibn Battuta, he came to the African, he was a Habsi and he came at the dynasty of Tughlaq dynasty time. That period he came and he criticized that Sultanate administration was an amalgamation, means combination of good and bad administration policies. Now we will repeat about the Tughlaq dynasty. After 4 years, the death of Alauddin Khilji, the Tughlaq dynasty established, and who was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Then he started postal services. We also now we have postmen and giving letters. So he started postal services. Muhammad Tughlaq came to throne after the death of Ghiyasuddin. When he came after the death of Ghiyasuddin, he made many administrative plans, but they were criticized. Thus the Tughlaq dynasty ended. Thank you for joining us.